I've been getting a lot of questions about the complete parts list of what I use to put into one of these little either Hot Wheels or a Matchbox. This is a Matchbox Honda Civic. I believe the year is 1976. Yep. And so this is the complete parts. And these are the complete parts that I use, which starting with the 3D printed base, and I've integrated the cutouts for the on and off switch and the charging ports, the steering knuckles, I've already gone ahead and pre-drilled these so the assembly will be much faster. We have our rotating servo, and this guy will have to be cut and soldered onto the micro receiver. Here we have our 70 milliamp hour LiPo battery, our dual shaft motor, our micro receiver, and I'll be using the original wheels. These are plastic wheels, and I'll have to use heat shrink and wrap heat shrink around the wheels so they will have more grip. We have our 3-pin on and off switch. These are extremely simple to use, and this is a simple 2-pin JST connector. We have some M1 screws. These guys are super tiny. And then of course we have the SMD LEDs. These are warm white, which I will use for the fog lights. And these are red, which I will use for just the rear bumper lights. Like I said, I've already gone and pre-drilled all of these. I've already gone ahead and grind out this area here so it'll give me clearance when I steer. And I've taken off the studs already, as you can see. And of course a standard paper clip to connect our steering knuckle and the steering rod. So people's been asking me how I charge one of these things, how I charge the battery. And so I've been integrating this charging port in here along with the on and off switch. And I just take one of these that has male connectors at both ends. I'll plug one end into the charger, and the other end I'll just plug into the charging port here. Now it's running, it's telling you it's charging. If I do it this way, it's easier. I don't have to take the battery in and out, and I don't have to actually disassemble everything or take the base plate apart just to get the battery out to charge. This way it's way easier just to charge with the battery inside of the car. But if you do need to replace the battery, I have a connector there where you can just unplug the battery and put a new one in, as you can see.